Natural grapevine perches made for birds to climb, chew, and play safely. Let's go ahead and check it out. Easy tool-free installation, fits most bird cages. Different shapes, as you can see, and sizes help support healthy feet and natural behavior. Perfect for parakeets, cocktails, and small parrots. Now I can go ahead and open the cage, and I will try to install it somewhere here. They already like it. Now we're good to go. They are trying to get used to it right now, as you can see. She likes it. Perfect. That's what I wanted. That's working perfectly. Look at that. I really like it. And she likes it too. They're gonna get used to it since this is the first time I put them.